Parents, it's your time. As I've always said in my previous videos, parenting is not easy. Parenting is a hard thing. You don't go to school to be taught about parenting. And you watch of your children from the cradle to the grave. So now today, I want to talk on questions to ask your child before it is too late. Questions to ask your child before it is too late. What are those questions which you should ask your child before it is too late? One, what do you think about a lot? What do you brood? Every day, what do you think much about? Ask your child or children what they think much. What occupies their mind is very important to know. Ask your child what makes you feel loved. You'll be able to know how to react. Third question, what do you love about our family? Fourth question, what do you want to understand about people or the world? What would interest you? What would you like to know about people and the world? Number 5, what do you wish grown-ups understood better about children? Number 6, what makes a day feel really good to you? What makes a day feel really good to you? Number 7, what do you feel safe and secure? Number 8, what do you worry most? What is your greatest fear? Number 9, how can I be a better parent to you? Parents, ask your children these questions, and the answers they give you, those answers are going to help you repackage your parenting style. Thank you very much for listening to me. It's Mutero Kwaro, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you for listening to me.